Yo, what's good, beautiful people? Back again with another episode today, guys. I have a very special unboxing today. This one is long overdue. Been waiting on this order for a good minute. It's been out of stock nearly everywhere. And for those of you who know, I love to read my manga. I'm an avid manga reader. But without further ado, let me show you what this special unboxing is. The complete Dragon Ball Z box set. This is just the whole series before GT and Dragon Ball Super, of course. And this is the cheapest way you can get a hold of all the Dragon Ball Z manga, like besides buying the singles and everything. So if you can get your hands on this, go to Right Stuff Anime or Amazon. Those are the two main sites that I go to shop for my manga. But yeah, those are the best places to get it. So let's just jump straight into it, see what's inside. All right, here we go. The complete Dragon Ball Z box set. So first we got Volume 1, Volume 2, Volume 3, Volume 4, Volume 5, Volume 6, Volume 7, Volume 8, Volume 9, Volume 10, Volume 11, Volume 12, Volume 13, Volume 14, Volume 15, Volume 16, Volume 17, Volume 18, Volume 19, Volume 20, Volume 21, Volume 22, Volume 23, Volume 24, Volume 25, finally Volume 26. And of course we are given a little booklet that comes with the box set. Nothing too special, but you know, it comes with it. Then we get this little double-sided poster. So it's pretty neat. So I ain't complaining. So there you have it, guys. This is the complete box set. So I highly recommend y'all get this and save your money. Don't buy the singles if you don't have to. That's pretty much it for today, guys. But don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see y'all next time. I'm out.